Good morning, it's Dennis and Wade from Western Material Handling. Today we're looking at a 1989 TCM 8,000 pound forklift. It's almost a tank disguised as a forklift. It's a big boy. It's running a Nissan H30 inline 6 engine. Has a 189 inch 3-stage mast with side shift. Very maneuverable for its size. Forklift does a recent repaint job. They show us 189 inches in the air, 15 feet 9 inches. Three-stage mast. It has full free lift, so the forks don't go up until around 5. The carriage doesn't start moving until the forks are about 5 feet out. This forklift has brand new cushion traction drive tires, smooth cushion steer tires. Wade's going to show us the forward and back tilt and the side shift. Forward tilt, back tilt, side shift. If you use a forklift like this, come to Western Material Handling, Denver, Fort Collins. Check it out on the website, abetterforklift.com. Thanks for looking at our video. We appreciate it.